How to post on Snapchat Spotlight. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right into without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Snapchat to the latest version. Then open up Snapchat on a device. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on Spotlight icon. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now if you want to create a snap, tap on create, or if you want to upload a video, tap on upload. Now select the video. Now tap on next. Now tap on preview. Now tap on send to. Now tap on spotlight and tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.